Whether your child is struggling with math or is learning for the first time, it can be difficult for early learners to understand how numbers can merge together to make new numbers in learning addition. Today, I'll be showing you an easy two-step process we can use on the African Abacus that will make early addition a breeze, whether it's a young learner just starting out or someone who's more experienced and struggles. Make sure to follow along with us in today's lesson. You can get access to the Mancala Math 10-frame game using the link in the description below or going to africanmath.com/Mancala.
Okay, so when we're answering puzzles on the African Abacus, with this game, with addition, there are two steps that we're going to need to follow through, and I'll show you what those are now. So we have my iPad out. To solve these addition puzzles, we need to take two steps. Typically with addition, you're following the same two steps over and over again and repeating them until you get the answer. Let me show you what it is. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I have my iPad out. I'm just going to select our basic cedar board and cups and get started. Okay, so our first puzzle is 2 plus 4. Step number 1, drag the first value out into the play space. So how do we do that? Each of these yellow beads represents 1 unit, and each of the 10 each of these green beads over here represent a group of 10. All right. So over here, and a great exercise for younger learners who are still getting used to understanding what a 2 symbol is and struggle to connect it to a quantity, we can draw out the African numeral tally mark for it. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll come over here and next to it, we'll draw out 1 and 2 marks. All right, so now that we have 2 marks, we're going to drag out 2 beads into the play space. 1, 2. Step 1 is done. So we've placed the beads. Now we're going to see, do we have any other quantities that need to be placed? Yes, we do. So we're going to place it. First, we'll draw out our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we need to drag out 4 beads into the play space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So now we don't need to do the second step. The second step would be regrouping everything. Because we haven't filled up a full group of 10, we can just count out our answers. So then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's our answer. And then we'll write out the value of 6. All right, we can also write that as its African numeral counterpart. Make sure that you watch our African numeral video to learn more about how to draw African numerals and understand what this symbol means. All right, so let's move on to the next. This is where the second step is going to come in handy. We're going to stick with the first step first. So first step is placing the pieces into the play space. So we'll draw out our value of an African numeral 5. And then we'll drag out 5 beads into the play space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next up is 8. So 8 is a group of 5 and 1, 2, 3 units. So now we need to drag out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we don't have enough space on our board to put the rest of these 3 beads in. So what do we do now? That's step 2. What we're going to do when you have a puzzle where you get more than a value of 10, don't panic. Just place the beads inside of some neighboring cups. It's okay for one cup to have more than 1 bead in it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a group of 10. So to do that, we're going to take each of the 1 bead from every cup and group them into a group of 10. So what that looks like is dragging each of these beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to clear all of these and place 1 10 unit inside of the cup. All right. So now we can see that we have 1 10 and 3 units, and that would be the answer to our puzzle up here. It would be 1 10 and 3 units. So 10 and 3, or other words, 13. And then in African numerals, that's a group of 10, a house of 10 like this. 1, 2, 3 units. Okay, let's have a little bit more practice. So again, 2 basic steps. We're going to place and then group until we get through all the numbers in our activity. Okay, so next up is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units. All right, and now we need to add 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, it's okay for more than one bead to live in a cup at a time. So then we're going to clear 10 and carry in 1. And that gives us our answer again of 13. Lastly, let's have one more example. We're going to carry in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, next up we have to group by clearing a group of 10 and carrying in a group of 10 into the tens cup, giving us our answer of 14.
Again, go to africanmath.com/Mancala to get access to the African Math 10 frame game. Let us know how you like the African Math 10 frame game in the comments below, and let us know what other concepts you'd like us to cover using this game. If you liked what you saw today, make sure to like and subscribe. And to learn more about how to write African numerals like the ones we used in this video, watch this video next.